Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos using a USB device just like this from your Android phone to Android phone. And I have this little PNY, I have this little OTG adapter that came with my phone, and this allows me to plug in this USB device, this PNY 64GB USB, just like this. And this only costs like $5 on Amazon, maybe like 20 bucks from Walmart. But allows me to plug this into the bottom of the phone. It's called OTG adapter. Now with my Motorola phone and this device plugged in, I can swipe up from the bottom, go to search for apps, and go to files. Go to files right here. And I'm going to back out to this main browse menu and locate your phone storage. You can see the device is plugged in right here. And then go to DCIM, and you can move that folder over to your USB device. So we can go to maybe like recordings, for example. So we can hold down on the entire folder and go to three dots and go to move to. Let's go to USB. And I'm going to move it to here. Alright, so I just moved it on over. So there was no pictures on there, but we can go on over to my new phone now with the latest version of Android. And it's going to be the same deal. Just go to search and type in files. Now, you'll want to retrieve the files on here. So let's go back. So here's main browsing menu under local storage. So I want to choose my USB device now. And then locate my pictures on here. So it looks like I got some pictures under pictures 1. Hold down on the picture, for example. And in this version, I just have move on the bottom. Then we go back to browse. We can pick, choose my phone, my internal storage, and then locate a folder under here. So I got pictures right here, and then I can just go to maybe screenshots and go to check mark, and I'll move it to that folder now on my phone. So very easy to move everything back and forth using a USB device between your phones. You got to transfer it to the USB, and then you got to transfer it to your phone storage if you want to do it that way. Otherwise, you can just view everything off of your USB device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.